Hey, good day everyone. Hey, take a break from work because today I'm going to talk about the worst cooking oils that you're using out there for cooking. You don't want to use these oils, guys. So stick around because you're going to really like this video, okay? Let's get to it. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the worst oils you can use for cooking. And I'm sure you have a lot of those in your pantry. So stick around because this is going to be a really good subject that you're going to like and you're going to share. But first, say hello to Canela. Okay, hi Canela. Okay, before I get into the worst cooking oils, let me review the best cooking oils, which is actually in a different video that you can watch. And those I'll go through the list really quickly. Okay, number one is avocado oil. Number two is ghee. Number three is coconut oil. Number four is sesame oil. And then the last one is olive oil, but that one is not used for cooking, but it's really good for you. Okay, so those are the really good oils. Now, before I give you the list of the worst cooking oils you can use, let me give you some reasons as to why they're really bad for you. Okay, so the oils that I'm going to mention in a few minutes, they are really bad for you because they're high in omega-6, which is the bad kind of omegas, and they cause inflammation. Okay, they're also, most of them are made with hydrogenated oils, or they're also called partially hydrogenated oils or trans fats. You do not want to use any of those. Those are really the cause of clogged arteries. They also cause strokes, heart attacks, and all kinds of cardiovascular problems. So you want to stay away from those at all costs. Please read the labels, read the ingredients in the back of the bottles or any packages for that matter, because it's not just oils, it's not just cooking oils. Many of the products that you buy out there, the processed foods that you buy in cans or boxes or anything, read the ingredients in the back because they're going to have some of these oils in it, and you want to stay away from them because they're chemically made. They're really good for the food companies because they actually last a long time on the shelves, but they're not good for you or me. So stay away from those. Here's the list of the worst cooking oils you can have in your pantry. And if you have them, get rid of them, throw them away, do whatever you want to do with them. But please do not use them. Oh, by the way, don't throw them in the drain, okay? Just take them to a recycling place or something. All right, so number one is corn oil. Not good for you, stay away from it. Number two is canola oil, and it's also called rapeseed oil. And this one is actually very popular, and a lot of people use it. Not good for cooking, guys. Please stay away from it. So the next one is cottonseed oil. The next one is soybean oil. Then we have sunflower oil and safflower oils. Not good, they're vegetable oils. Even though the name sounds pretty good, they're not good. They cause inflammation, like I mentioned, and all kinds of issues internally. Then we have the last two, which is grapeseed oil and rice bran oils. So that's the list of all the oils that you need to stay away from, okay? Get rid of them. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, tell your friends about it. And if you want more information, you can actually buy my book, Prevention Guide for Optimal Health. You can get it on Amazon. It's actually relatively cheap. It's only like $4.99 for the e-copy and like $13 and change for the paper copy. So please support me on that and share it with your friends. Tell them about this video and the other videos that I have. And thank you again for everything. That's it for today. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.